In late September 1991, an unexpected massive blizzard swept across Iceland, trapping hundreds of sheep amidst the harsh snow. With survival odds dwindling, local farmers launched an extraordinary rescue operation, navigating perilous conditions to reach the stranded. The endeavor was marked by unity, as communities utilized traditional and innovative methods, including hot air balloon sightings, to locate the lost livestock. This rescue operation became a symbol of Icelandic resilience, highlighting the profound connection between farmers and their sheep. Amidst the cold, determination and community spirit enveloped the island, bringing an uplifting tale of perseverance and survival against nature's fury.